Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raft on PC. To begin your adventure, you will find yourself on a small 4 square meter raft in the middle of a vast ocean. Your first task is to gather floating debris using your trusty plastic hook. This debris, like wood and plastic, is crucial for crafting essential tools and expanding your tiny vessel. Remember, survival is key, so start collecting immediately to build a foundation for your journey. Once you have some basic resources, focus on your immediate survival needs. Your hunger and thirst meters will deplete quickly, so prioritize crafting a simple water purifier and a basic grill. These items are vital for staying hydrated and fed. Next, construct a research table. This allows you to unlock dozens of new crafting recipes, from advanced tools to larger raft components, significantly boosting your chances of long-term survival on the open sea. As you gather more materials, you can begin expanding your raft, adding more foundations to create a larger living space. Consider building a small farm to grow crops and even raise animals for a sustainable food supply. To find new adventures and valuable resources, craft a receiver and several antennas. These will help you locate nearby islands and abandoned rafts, but always be prepared for the ever-present threat of the ocean's most persistent predator, the shark. For more advanced play, focus on upgrading your tools and weapons to improve efficiency and defense against various threats. Explore the larger, more complex islands and dive into the depths around them to uncover rare blueprints and valuable treasures. Raft also offers a fantastic multiplayer experience, allowing you to team up with up to 8 friends. Working together makes survival easier and exploration more fun, turning the vast ocean into a shared adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.